couldn't. And we are done. I don't know what happened. I think either the HD steering servo failed. HD is actually pretty crappy. I don't know why I upgraded it. Either that failed or something froze, but I have no steering. So we're gonna wait for the car to unfreeze, and then hopefully we're gonna get it out. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving me a thumbs up. If you want more of these Traxxas videos, let me know. I've been playing with these cars for quite a long time, and they're so much fun. This is my new shell, by the way, in case you don't recognize. Anyways, see you soon. Bye-bye.